Welcome to GoHackersCloud. I'm Mr. Hacker, and today I'll show you why our AI course is the only one you'll ever need. This isn't just another online course. It's a complete roadmap to mastering AI, designed for everyone from beginners to pros. Our mission? Give you the skills companies are desperate for right now. Whether you want to launch your AI career, upskill, or just explore, we've packed our program with everything you need. No fluff, just the features that make our course the best in the world. We'll cover our curriculum, hands-on labs, and more. Let's dive into the key benefits that will change your learning experience. Our curriculum covers everything from AI basics to advanced topics like deep learning and NLP. We built it by analyzing what top tech companies want, so you learn the skills that get you hired. The best part? We constantly update the course with the latest breakthroughs and tools. You'll always have access to the most current, relevant information. This is your living, breathing guide to the future of technology. Our structured study guide is your personal GPS for success. We break down every topic into bite-sized modules with clear goals and resources. No guesswork, just a step-by-step path that ensures you master each concept. You'll stay motivated, on track, and confident from start to finish. Everyone learns differently, so we let you create your own study plan. Set your own deadlines, focus on what matters to you, and learn at your pace. Our system helps you build a custom calendar based on your goals. Whether you want to finish fast or take your time, we adapt to your schedule. Learning fits your life, not the other way around. Worried about the certification exam? We've got you covered. Get exclusive access to a huge database of real exam questions from past tests. Practice under real conditions, spot patterns, and master the format. You'll walk into the exam fully prepared, almost like having the answers in advance. Need to learn something fast? Our crash courses deliver pure focused knowledge on key topics. Perfect for last-minute prep or quick upskilling. No fluff. Just the essentials you need, right when you need them. It's a power-up for your brain. Employers want real skills, so you'll build real AI projects from scratch. Create predictive models, image recognition tools, chatbots, and more. Each project reinforces your learning and builds your portfolio. By the end, you'll have proof of your abilities, not just a certificate. Step-by-step guidance turns your knowledge into real-world experience. Practice makes perfect, so we built interactive simulations, your AI playground. Experiment with models and algorithms in a safe, realistic environment. Face real-world challenges and sharpen your problem-solving skills. This is where you become a true practitioner. Studying doesn't have to be boring. We've gamified learning with Try Hack Me Labs. Solve puzzles, complete missions, and compete on leaderboards while mastering AI. Instant feedback and addictive challenges keep you motivated. Learning feels like play, not work. This is the future of education. Let's recap. Comprehensive curriculum, structured guides, personalized plans, real exam questions, crash courses, hands-on projects, simulations, and gamified labs. You're not just learning, you're building a skill set for a high-demand career. Invest in yourself and join thousands of successful students. Ready to start? Click the link in the description to enroll now. Join our community and take the first step toward mastering AI. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more and happy learning.